I'm from India. The honest impression about the brand is the quality is so good, and we can see like they are providing one-stop solution. So it's better to have a one person which can help you with everything from your drawing room setup to kitchen.
Hi, I'm from Jamaica and I am very, very impressed with the quality of the products that I see here at the Oppein booth. I like the way the cabinets are designed and the quality, the color selection, and I'm looking forward to doing a great order.